Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Simultaneously separate the two tabs, which hold the battery support cover in place, so you can remove it. To remove the battery, you must unscrew the holding bar. Using a socket wrench, an extender and an 8mm socket, unscrew the two holding nuts. Remove the second part of the battery cover by grabbing the slot in it and gently pulling upwards. Then remove the bar. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a 10mm spanner, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the battery back into its compartment. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Set it in place with a 10mm spanner. Finally, do the same with the negative terminal. Then reinstall the battery holding bar and secure it using a ratchet. Reposition the front part of the battery cover. Put the cover back on battery support. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.